Here f of x is equal to previous problem only x square plus x plus 1. We have to find out alpha minus 2 comma beta minus 2 means implies f of x plus 2 is equal to, it is minus, it take plus, it take plus, it take minus. So the value of f of x plus 2 is equal to, wrong answer from J we can see f of x plus 2 is equal to, in this function we have to apply f of x plus 2. F of x plus 2 is equal to, x means x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 plus 1. Expand a plus b whole square, x square plus 4x plus 4 plus x plus 2 plus 1. So the answer is x square plus 4x plus x, 5x, only 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is x square plus 5x plus 1 is the answer. X square plus 5x plus 7 is the correct answer. X square plus 5x plus 7 is the correct answer. So in place of alpha minus 2, beta minus 2 means you can take f of x plus 2 is equal to f of x plus 2 is equal to 0. So in place of x you can take x plus 2. Suppose here alpha minus 3, beta minus 3. It becomes f of x plus 3. Alpha minus 4, beta minus 4, f of x plus 4. Suppose here f of alpha plus 2 is there. Alpha plus 2. Here x minus 2. Suppose here alpha plus 3. Here x minus 3. You can take like that. Third one. If alpha comma beta are the roots of x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha by 3 comma beta by 3 is dash. Alpha by 3 comma beta by 3 is dash. Alpha by 3 comma beta by 3 is equal to dash. Alpha by 3 comma beta by 3 is equal to dash. So alpha by 3, beta by 3, you can take f of 3x. Why is that? That's why you can take 3x is equal to f of 3x is equal to. Assume as f of 3x is equal to 0. F of 3x is equal to 0. You can take it as f of 3x is equal to 0. F of 3x is equal to 0. Here alpha by 3 comma beta by 3 means the value is beta by 3 means implies f of px is equal to, this is the condition. You can take x by k means kx means you can take it as x, kx means you can take it as x by k. It is numerator means you can take it as 3x. Very good answer from Ashwant, and 9x square is the right answer, Ashwant. I hope you will get 9x square. I hope 9x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 9. You will get. You have missed in there in place of x square. Right answer from Bhavani. Plus 9. Bhavani, you are on plus 1. Right answer. Right answer. Right answer. In place of x, you have to take 3x. In place of x, you have to take 3x. So here it becomes f of 3x. So in place of x, we have a 3x. X square means 3x whole square plus 3x plus 1. 3x whole square means 9x square plus 3x plus 1. This is the answer. The answer is 9x square plus 3x plus 1 is the correct answer. 9x square plus 3x plus 1 is the correct answer. 9x square plus 3x plus 1 is the correct answer. Okay, now we can go for some other important formulas on this one. This is very important for all competitive examinations. This topic is very important. You get more number of questions also. Especially for essay and PC, you get definitely 4 to 5 questions. 4 to 5 questions from this one. Very, very important. Okay, please give me yes. You can go for the next new formulas. Please give me yes. You can go for the new formulas. Yes, from Bhavani, what about others? Aishwarya, very good, very good, very good. Next one, quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. Put side quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. Put side quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. Quadratic inequations. First one. X minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0. First one, x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0. Less than 0. Then alpha less than x less than beta. You can write it like this. You can write on the value like this. Alpha less than x less than beta రాసుకోవచ్చు. లేదా x belongs to open interval of alpha comma beta. This is the first condition. You can write on this or this one, anyone. In the examination, we give the like this and ask the condition like this. So you can write down alpha less than x less than beta రాయొచ్చు ఆన్సర్, లేదా x belongs to open interval of alpha comma beta రాయొచ్చు. Open interval alpha comma beta రాసుకోవచ్చు. Suppose ఇలా ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, then alpha less than or equal to x less than or equal to beta రాయొచ్చు, లేదా x belongs to closed interval of alpha comma beta రాయొచ్చు. x belongs to closed interval of alpha comma beta రాసుకోవచ్చు. This is the second formula. Next, third one. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0. Beta greater than 0. Then x less than alpha or beta greater than 0. X less than alpha, beta greater than x. I mean x greater than beta. X greater than beta. X less than alpha or x greater than. So the value becomes x belongs to minus alpha minus infinity comma alpha union beta comma infinity. Beta comma. We have 4 formulas. Last one I am writing. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater or equal to 0. X less than or equal to alpha or x greater than or equal to beta. So this is 0. Beta 1. So the value becomes x belongs to minus infinity comma alpha union closed of beta comma infinity. I will tell you once again. See here. Here. Quadratic inequations. Suppose my problems like x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0 is answer ఎలా రాయాలంటే alpha less than x less than beta అని రాయొచ్చు. మనకి ఈ విధంగా ఫ్రేమ్ లో రాదు, ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు, లేదా x belongs to alpha comma beta. Alpha beta the roots. మన ఈక్వేషన్ రూట్స్ ఫామ్ లో మాత్రం ఈ విధంగా రాసుకుంటాం. x belongs to alpha comma beta. లేదా x minus alpha and x minus beta less than or equal to 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు alpha less than or equal to x less than or equal to beta అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. లేదా x belongs to closed interval. This is closed interval of alpha comma beta రాయొచ్చు. సో x minus alpha and x minus beta greater than 0 వచ్చినప్పుడు సో అప్పుడు ఏం రాయొచ్చు అంటే alpha x is less than alpha, x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta. X is less than alpha or x is greater than beta అలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. లేదా x belongs to open interval of minus into alpha union beta comma infinity అలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. లాస్ట్ వన్ x minus alpha and x minus beta greater than or equal to 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు greater than 0 సేమ్ కండిషన్ x less than or equal to alpha or alpha x is greater than or equal to beta అలా రాయొచ్చు. లేదా x belongs to minus open interval of minus infinity comma alpha open interval closed interval union closed interval beta comma plus infinity. That is the conditions. Write down this one and give me yes, you can go for the problems. Very important in equation, very important. If the paper is tough, the question comes from this side. If paper is tough, the question comes from this one. Paper tough ga ichinapudu dee means question istaranడి. If 4 వస్తే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఒక ఆన్సర్ వచ్చినట్టే లెక్క గ్యారెంటీ. Okay, please give me yes if writing is completed. Divya already signed yes, sir. Very good. Now you can see the problems on this one. Okay. Write down. Solve the following quadratic inequalities. 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 First question. X minus 3 into x minus 5 less than 0. First question. X minus 3 into x minus 5 less than 0. So you can write it in two ways. I want to check x minus 3 to x minus 5 is equal to less than 0. రెండు రకాలు రాయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఆల్ఫా అంటే 3, ఆల్ఫా is equal to plus 3, beta is equal to plus 5. First one, here alpha is equal to here alpha is equal to plus 3, beta is equal to plus 5. Beta is equal to plus 5. So the answer becomes alpha less than 3 less than x less than 5. This is one answer. Or another answer is x belongs to closed interval of 3 comma 5. This is the other answer. Two answers you read. One is this answer, this answer. In the examination, ఇలా ఇవ్వచ్చు. సో రెండింటి ప్రిపేర్ అయి ఉన్నాను. ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఆన్సర్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది, ఇలా ఉంటుంది. 3 less than x less than 5 అయినా కరెక్టే, x belongs to 3, 5 అయినా కరెక్టే. Okay, now second question. See the second question. Second question. X plus 5 into x minus 7. X plus 5 into x minus 7 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. X plus 5 into x minus 7 less than or equal to 0. Second one. X plus 5 into x minus 7 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. Somewhat tough compared to give the answer. Okay, so here alpha is equal to minus 5, beta is equal to plus 7. So less than or equal to means answer is minus 5 less than or equal to x plus beta. So this is the answer. Minus 5 less than or equal to minus 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7. One answer. Or you can write down. You can write down. X belongs to closed interval of minus 5 comma 7. This is the correct answer. X belongs to closed interval of minus 5 comma 7 is the correct answer. You can take this answer or this answer. Minus 5 less than or equal to minus 5 less than or equal to 7. X is equal to 7 by h. లేదా x belongs to minus 5 comma 7 is the right answer. Okay, third question. X minus 2 into x plus 9 less than 0. X minus 2 into x plus 9 less than 0. Less than 0. So alpha is equal to plus 2, beta is equal to minus 9. Less than 0 means the answer is 2 less than x less than minus 9. This is the answer. Alpha less than x less than beta, that's the condition. So the answer is 2 less than x less than minus 9. Very good answer from scientist. H1 you are read in the reverse way. ORR x belongs to 2 comma minus 9. X belongs to 2 comma minus 9. X belongs to 2 comma minus 9. So if you write this in order means right, okay, H1 the answer is right. You can write this one as like this also. Minus 9 comma 2. Very good. Minus 9 comma 2. Minus 9 comma 2. Correct. 9 comma 2. Right. H1 the right answer. Right answer. So always take, see here, I want to tell you one thing here. Always take a small value beta. Always take small value beta. Sorry, small value alpha. Big value is beta. Always take small value as alpha. So that's why you can write it like this. Don't write it like this. Don't write it like this. This is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. So first of all, you can write down the already plus term only. Alpha is equal to minus 9. Beta is equal to plus 2. Always take minus less value as minus alpha, big value is beta. Write down like this one. Always take alpha as minus less value, beta is big value, beta is big value. Now write down the answer as minus 10 less than x less than 2 or x belongs to minus 9 comma 2. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So H1 your answer is right. H1 your answer right. Always take alpha is less value than compared to beta. Compared to beta, we take alpha as less value compared to beta. So I have forgotten that condition. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Minus 9 less than x less than 2 or x belongs to minus 9 comma 2. Very good, very good. H1. Next question. X plus 2 into x plus 5. X plus 2 into x plus 5 less than or equal to 0. X plus 2 into x plus 5. X plus 2 into x plus 5 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. Here, minus 5 is less than compared to minus 2. Alpha is minus 5, beta is minus 2. In the negative values, the bigger value is more bigger value. Alpha is equal to minus 5. Very good answer from all of you. Very good, very good. So minus 5 minus 2. So the answer is minus 5 less than x less than minus 2. Or x belongs to minus 5 comma minus 2. X belongs to, so this is the answer, minus 5 less than x less than minus 2 or minus 5 comma minus 2. Minus 5 comma minus 2. So, sorry, it is less than or equal. That's why less than or equal to less than or equal to. It becomes a closed interval. It becomes a closed interval. Less than or equal to there, you can take a closed interval. Closed interval. You can take a closed interval of minus 5 comma minus 2. Less than or equal to 0 is there. If only less than, you can take only open interval. Less than or equal to, you can take compulsory closed interval. You can take closed interval. So the answer is x belongs to minus 5 comma minus 2. Very good. X square minus 5x plus 6 less than 0. Which x square minus 5x plus 6 less than 0. Here you write down the factors also. X square minus 5x plus 6 less than 0. Very good answer from 2 less than x less than 3, right? Very good answer from next one. Very good answer. So first of all, the factors are x square 5x, you get a minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 less than 0. You can take common as from these two, x into x minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 2 less than 0. Now the factors are x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. So here alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 3. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 3. Now write down the answer as 2 less than x less than 3 or x belongs to 2 comma 2 less than x less than 3, 2 less than x less than 3 or x belongs to 2 comma 3. X belongs to 2 comma 3. That is the right answer. Very good answers. Next one, x minus 3 into x minus 6 x minus 3 into x minus 6 greater than 0. X minus 3 into x minus 6 greater than 0. X minus 3 into x minus 6 greater than 0. Third formula. Go for the third formula in the note. X less than 3 or x greater than 6 from H1. Very good answer. Very good answer. Very good answer from side dish H1. Very good answer. Very good answer. So alpha is equal to 3 or beta is equal to 6. Alpha is equal to 3 or beta is equal to 6. So it becomes, the value becomes x less than 3 or x greater than 6 is the answer. X less than 3 or x greater than 6, right? X greater than 6, right? లేదంటే you can write the answer as x belongs to minus infinity comma 3 union 6 comma infinity. ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. This is the answer. You can write down or this is also right answer. X belongs to minus infinity comma 3 union 6 comma infinity. Union 6 comma infinity ਨੂੰ రాయొచ్చు. 6 comma. So next one write down everyone. X plus 5 into x minus 9. X plus 5 into x minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. X plus 5 into x minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Very good answer from H1. Very good answer from H1. So alpha is equal to minus 5, beta is equal to plus 9. So here the symbol is greater than or equal to, therefore the answer is x less than or equal to minus 5 or x greater than or equal to 9. This is the first condition. X less than or equal to minus 5 or x greater than or equal to 9. The other one or x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 5 close interval union 9 comma plus infinity open is the answer. We can write down anyone. We can write down anyone. This is the correct answer. Next one, write down another one. x plus 3 into x plus 5 greater than 0. X plus 3 into x plus 5 greater than 0. We came to the last one. X plus 3 into x plus 5 greater than 0. Last question only. The topic, tomorrow we can see a new topic. Remind us here. That is also very important. So once I'm telling you, institute often open and friends cheppandi. So from Friday onwards, we're starting the classes in offline classes. ఇది ఇలానే నడుస్తుంది, ఆన్లైన్ లానే నడుస్తుంది, ఇది యాజ్ ఈజ్. సో ఆఫ్లైన్ రావాల్సుకుంటే ఫ్రైడే నుంచి రావచ్చు. ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇయర్ నుంచి ఓపెన్ అయిపోయింది. చదువుకోవాల్సిన వాళ్ళు పోయి చదువుకోవచ్చు, బుక్స్ తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు పోయి. అండ్ బుక్స్ తీసుకోవాల్సిన అంటే యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అండ్ టేక్ ద బుక్స్ ఆల్సో. So from Friday onwards, we can start the classes from morning 10 to 1. Classes will be 10 to 1. Okay, Yashwant, that is very good. So alpha is equal to -5, beta is equal to minus. These are the values. So the answer is greater than 0 means greater than 0 is there. X less than -5 or x greater than -3. X greater than -3 is the condition. X belongs to open interval of -3 comma -5 union -3 comma infinity. This is this one or the right hand one. Last two problems in this one. Just if you know the format, is very easy. X plus 7 into x plus 2. X plus 7 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. X plus 7 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Last one. X square minus 7x plus 12. X square minus 7x plus 12 greater than or equal to 0. ఈ రెండు క్వశ్చన్ దీంతో ఈ టాపిక్ అయిపోయింది. ఈ రెండు చేయండి. With these two questions, today's syllabus is over. We can see tomorrow a new topic. But today's class is very, very important class. Today's class is very, very important class. So in this, those who are coming to essay coaching, please give me WhatsApp. I will send a whole paper for you. In this batch, those who are preparing for essay constable, please give me in WhatsApp. I am preparing for essay. I will send you a complete whole paper, model paper for you in the application. 3 hours examination is there. You can write on that examination. You can get an idea. I will give a new model paper for you, a new model paper for you. Those who are preparing for essay and constables. Please give to my WhatsApp. So I'm preparing the essay because I don't know this is a mixed batch is there. Now I'm not taking clarity. So those who are preparing for essay and constable, please give to my WhatsApp. I will send you a model paper for you. Okay. Here alpha is equal to -7, beta is equal to -2. So x less than or equal to alpha means -7, x greater than or equal to -2. This is the first condition. Or x belongs to -infinity comma -1 closer to it, union -2 comma infinity. This is the answer. This is the answer. X less than or equal to -7 or x greater than or equal to -2. X greater than or equal to -2. Okay. Now we go for this one. We have to find out the factors. But find out the factors. First of all, x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 greater than equal to. Take common 4, x into x minus 4 minus 3 common x minus 4 greater than equal to. So the values are x minus 3 into x minus 4 greater than equal to. This is the condition. The condition is x minus 3 into x minus 4 is greater than equal to 0. X minus 4 greater than equal to 0. Now alpha is equal to plus 3, beta is equal to plus 4. Alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 4. So beta is equal to 4. So the answer is greater than equal to. So that's why x less than or equal to 3 or x greater than or equal to 4. This is one condition. Or x belongs to open interval of minus 3 comma 3 close interval union 4 comma is the answer. That is the answer. So with this, today's class is over. With this. So tomorrow we can see at the same time a new topic in mathematics, that is reminder theorem. You will get definitely 1 or 2 marks. Okay. See you tomorrow all of you. Thank you. If you are ready, I will send you now the video. If you are ready, I will send you now the video. Now I will send you. On Saturday, actually, power has gone. That's why I have not sent the second video. Now I will send you the second video of Saturday. Okay, right? If you are ready.